I'm going to use cooked chestnuts in this recipe. They are cooked, peeled, and ready to be used in the recipes. You can usually find them in the pouches like this. I'm going to use 7 ounces of cooked chestnuts. Place them in a bowl and mash with back of the fork. It doesn't have to be completely smooth. Let's mash until chestnuts become powdery with chunky bits. To this, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of creamy cashew butter. I'm using unsalted kind. 6 tablespoons of maple syrup and a pinch of sea salt. You can omit the sea salt if you are using salted cashew butter. I'm going to mix well to combine. So to this, I'm going to add dry ingredients. 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1/4 cup of brown rice flour, 1/2 cup of almond flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a good mix, and I'm going to let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour. Resting helps dough to firm up and evenly hydrate the dry ingredients. Now divide the chilled dough into 16 portions, and I'm gonna roll this into chestnut shapes. First, roll the dough into a small bowl and use your palms to flatten a bit. Important aspect of chestnut shape is pointy top and a flat bottom, so the result should look like this. Let's make all the dough into small chestnuts, and I'm giving a final touch. Let's add 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds in a plate, and I'm going to dip the bottom of my chestnuts, so they look like real little chestnuts. Now let's bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. These cookies are so warm and cozy and packed with seasonal flavor. The texture is soft and moist, which is my favorite. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!